What are some of the things that you can do in an older truck to make the fuel mileage go up?
Like we always mention, that's going to be boost leaks. That's one of the biggest issues. Check for any boost leaks. You're losing boost pressure anywhere. Another one would be valve adjustments. That's a big one right there. Air filter, engine air filter. Boost leaks. That's a big one. Loss of power. That's going to be contributing to loss of power. Fuel economy. Valve adjustments. That's a big one right there. Staying on top of that. Obviously, with that, that's injectors, adjusting injector.
Temperature of the engine. It's something that definitely is.
Yeah, if you're running colder, yeah, obviously you're going to be consuming more fuel. Keep an eye on the coolant temperature. Sometimes if your thermostat's running, let's say like 170, 160, there's a few guys out there driving like that, and that's consuming more fuel.
Yeah.
Or if your fan's running all the time, don't be cheap. Fix that fan clutch or the solenoid.
Yeah. Or check it, because you might not know that.
Yeah.
You know,
if it's constantly running.
Filter.
Engine air filter.
That quality air filter that either you can look at some of the filters out there on the market that you can just reuse all the time and wash them. That's one option. They have also a lot more air going through them. They're better quality filters, just like the paper ones. Tires, right? Reducing rolling resistance, including speed, right? Fleets will tell you we have 8 miles to the gallon. Well, yeah, because your truck is 65 miles or 63 miles to the gallon, right? So fuel efficiency is directly related to the driver's behavior behind the wheel, how fast he's going, what's the policy for the fleet? Are they cutting the speeds down? They're looking for savings, so they're going to come up with, hey, let's limit it 63, and then we have a great fuel mileage, but that also would be met with an older truck if you slow down to 63. I mean, I drove those D12s at 63 miles per hour, and I was like 7.5, 8. It's doable.
It's doable, yeah, especially at that mileage at 63, like you said.
Yeah. Synthetic oils versus mineral oils. Wheel covers, that's something you can add on to trucks. I've used them. It's not like it's going to show up on your fuel mileage, but it just contributes to it.
The side skirts on the drive ends.
Side skirts,
reefers.
fast system.
That one, yeah.
That helps you deliver
That's
better
probably
fuel.
One of the, I would say, it's on the pricier side to invest.
It is, yeah.
But you'll get your money back.
Like I said, reducing rolling resistance to that comes down to tires.
Tire pressure.
Tire pressure, but what type of tire? Compound and thread. You want to look at don't look at super singles. I don't really recommend them. I've used them, but I would say quality tire that, has a good rolling resistance. And you can look at the rolling resistance in every manufacturer's brochures. Should tell you the rolling resistance of each drive tire that you're doing. So what we're talking about is comparing one to the other, old versus new, doesn't really do any favors to anybody, because there are so many new older trucks that have a good fuel mileage, but the additional cost in newer trucks of emissions and the potential problems you have related to emissions even the savings are not worth it. Downtime. I'm not even counting it. Downtime.
Thank you for listening to this interview. Join our free community of truckers at trucku.com. See you there.